Welcome to Pumping Python. My name is Jacob Itegboje, and this is the module not found error, which is raised when Python cannot find a module from an import statement. A Python module has a file name that ends in .py. Time to write some code. I'll open up the Explorer, then with Control and tilde on the keyboard, open up a terminal. On Windows without subsystem Linux, /make python tdd.ps1 module_not_found_error. On the other operating systems, /make python tdd.sh module_not_found_error as the name of the project. Enter to run it. It makes the folders and files that are needed, installs packages, then runs the first test. When I Control or Option click on the file name, it opens up in the editor. I'll change true to false to make the test pass. Then change the name of the class to match the capwords format. Capital M. Remove the underscore capital N. Remove the underscore capital F. Remove the underscore capital E. I will change test_failure to be test_module_not_found_error. I'll also change the assert false call to be import source.module_00. The terminal shows module not found error. No module named source.module_00. Hashtag module not found error in the list of exceptions encountered. Then I'll open up the source folder, and sure enough, there is no module_00.py in here. I will right click the file that's there, select rename, change it to be module_00.py. Enter to accept the name change, and the test passes. I'll do it again. Enter after that line, import source.module_01. The terminal shows module not found error. No module named source.module_01. I'll right click the source folder, select new file, name it module_01.py. Enter to accept the name, the test passes, and the file opens in the editor. I'll close the file. I'll do it again. Import source.module_02. The terminal shows module not found error. No module named source.module_02. I'll right click the source folder, select new file, module_02.py. Enter to accept the name. The test passes. It opens the file in the editor. I'll close it. Last time, import source.module_03. The terminal shows module not found error. No module named source.module_03. I'll right click the source folder, select new file, module_03.py. Enter to accept the name. The test passes. The file opens up in the editor. I'll close it. I'll also close the terminal. That's it. I ran a test for the module not found error and Python modules. Would you like to test the assertion error? I will see you in the next one.